So now I'm going to explain about my news in Indonesian stock market. The news is the Jakarta Composite Index drops 5% in a day. That requires the Indonesian Stock Exchange to stop the trading for the current day. So moving on to the terminologies, the first one is JSX Composite or JCI, which is the index price of all stocks that are traded in the Indonesian stock exchange market. And the second one is the large-scale social distancing, which is a regulation that is issued by the Indonesian Ministry of Health to combat the recently COVID-19 virus spread by limiting contacts that is permitted in everyday life. The regulation sets a limitation and prohibitions such as offices and schools are closed and changed to online based. So the people cannot work in the office, but they are allowed to work from home. The second one is that restaurants are not allowed to operate normally and has switched to takeout only. The third one, the malls and entertainments limits the number of visitors. And also there are several other things such as restriction on going outside of home and the requirement to use mask and hand sanitizers everywhere. So the event that happened is that on September 10th, the Jakarta Composite Index plunged by 5% in 40 minutes only after the trading begins. This this drop is led by financial sector that dropped by minus 5.94% and miscellaneous industry that declined by minus 5.9%. And here's the graph that shows the drop on the day. So regarding on why did the event happen, the first one is uh, the previews before the event happened. There are positive effects of because the government is loosening the social distancing regulation, but then it was announced that the government will once again strict and tighten the regulation due to the increasing number of COVID-19 patients. And the second one is the Jakarta Composite Index is prone to correction because it has been rising for weeks. And based on the change of regulations regarding trades in stock exchange in emergency March 2020, the stock exchange halved the stock market once it dropped by 5% in the first session. Moving on to the potential impacts of the events. The first one is the international investors are hesitant to enter Jakarta Composite Index as its investment target because it is proven to be highly volatile after the event. And the second one is there are too many companies stock. There are many companies stock that is now undervalued because of the sudden fall in prices. My opinion regarding of the event is because now the investors are panic selling their stocks due to the sudden fall of the prices, and it means that the stock prices is now undervalued. There are many companies that is undervalued now. Therefore, in my opinion, this is the perfect time to do research about which stock is undervalued and research about the fundamental of the company that you want to invest in. And if it is undervalued now, it should be the best time to invest because of the impact of the event. So this is the references of my research, and thank you.